Person described the weather this morning as soupy.
Soupy?
Yeah, do you think that's a good word for today?
I mean, it's so humid outside, and tomorrow and especially Wednesday, I think it's really going to feel super soupy because the temperature is going to get into the 90s outside. Of course, you pair that with dew points, the measure of moisture in the air in the 70s. You're going to have heat indices both Tuesday, Wednesday, likely in the triple digits. Before we talk about that, tonight, Tuesday and Wednesday evening, we have a chance of storms. They are all on the lower side, though. I think it may even be more likely, notice the 30% chance that you don't see anything when it comes to the thunderstorms. We'll talk more about that in a minute. Tuesday, Wednesday, again, impact weather heat indices probably getting to the triple digits. Thursday and Friday, we start to see the dew points decrease a little bit. It'll still be warm outside, but not as soupy as Waverly and I were mentioning. There's the puffy cumulus clouds outside. Fair weather. We don't expect storms here, at least not for a while. 90 degrees with a southwest wind at 3 miles per hour. So the wind is calm today. It'll crank up a little more for tomorrow. So let me show you this from the Storm Prediction Center. Notice how the bigger outlook or the enhanced risk, that's the level 3 out of 5, it's well south of our area. We in Omaha aren't really even in a marginal risk. It's more west of the Missouri River and a few of our counties in northwest Missouri. So what we've actually seen when I show you radar is these thunderstorms that were strong, say 2 hours ago, have now fizzled out. And look at that line right there that I was pointing out earlier. That's moving just south of I-80. That is an outflow boundary. That's going to push the favorable ingredients for strong or severe thunderstorms down to the south here later on this evening. Let's show you what our storm predictor computer model shows. Look at where that cold front is, kind of leading edge of the most unstable air. And that's where storms could form, and they may ride the Kansas border and go into Kansas City. We don't get anything in Omaha if that's the scenario. So a low chance of storms for tonight. Sunshine for tomorrow. We get more of a south breeze back. That's going to bring in more humidity. And another low chance. This is one of our few computer models that brings that storm maybe right over Omaha. It'd be small and maybe a possibility for us on Tuesday evening. So another lower chance of storms. We continue with the south wind on Wednesday, so it's going to be humid. And then the target area will be that cold fronts. But that cold front's going to come through a little sooner than we originally anticipating. So maybe storms more so in Iowa than in eastern Nebraska. So that could be 3 days where we have a low storm chance, where we could get shut out each and every day. Now for Tuesday evening storm chance, it's a better chance in central Nebraska. And again, maybe weakening before arrival, but we'll see if they can make it here. And then Wednesday afternoon and evening, that's when the cold front is further east of the area. So it seems like the favorable ingredients, again, will be in Iowa. So there's a possibility we could see storms. I just don't think it's likely here. So again, Monday, a late evening chance. That's the day. Tuesday, warm and soupy outside with another late evening chance where I think we probably won't see it. And then Wednesday, kind of a similar thing with the cold front pushing east. The good news is once that cold front does push east, Thursday looks a lot better because the humidity will start going down. That continues into Friday. Still warm days, but just not quite the air where you feel like you can cut it with a knife outside. So that'll be a little more comfortable Thursday and Friday. Low rain chances on Saturday and Sunday. It did look like we could have a wet weekend, but it looks like the rain chances are shrinking a little bit. But I would be prepared this evening, tomorrow evening, Wednesday evening, have the rain jacket, but I don't think you'll need to use it.
All right, well, the nice thing about